What if I told you technology is quietly shaping your life every single day, and you barely notice it? I'm talking about what you see, what you buy, even what you believe. Let's pull back the curtain. AI surveillance. Not the movie kind, the everyday kind. Your phone, your TV, your smart speaker, your car. When you wake up, what you binge, where you drive, how often you reorder coffee. It's not just listening, it's predicting. Your next scroll, your next stop, your next splurge. Convenient? Absolutely. Invisible? Completely. Here's the kicker. Hidden profits. Every tap, like, and linger is a tiny data point. Microsignals that add up to billions. You didn't sell your data, but you traded it for speed, for free apps, for personalization. And the marketplace for those signals? It's bigger and faster than ever. Now, cybersecurity. New gear doesn't mean safe gear. Fresh devices can ship with bugs, rushed patches, default passwords someone forgot to change. Hackers don't have to break the front door. They slip through forgotten windows. A smart bulb here, a Wi-Fi camera there, and boom, a network map of your life. Basic fixes go far. Update firmware. Use a password manager. Two-factor everything separate your smart home on a guest network. Boring? Yes. Effective? Definitely. But it's not all doom. Breakthroughs are landing early. Quantum computing is inching from theory to utility. Think chemistry, logistics materials. Robotics is getting hands, eyes, and common sense. Warehouse bots, surgical assistants, home helpers. The future didn't knock. It walked in and sat on your couch. And the secret algorithm? It's not random. Feeds are attention engines. They test, rank, and optimize to keep you scrolling one more minute, then 5, then 20. The closer content sits to your curiosity and your fears, the more it loops. Your ads aren't just targeted, they're timed. Late night impulse? They know. Lunchtime distraction? They know that too. The goal isn't to show you everything, it's to show you just enough to keep you here. So how do I stay sane in this? Simple playbook. I audit my permissions. I turn off the creepy defaults. I use privacy-respecting tools where I can. I diversify my news diet. I set time limits so the feed doesn't eat the day. I lean into the good. The tools that save time unlock learning, spark ideas. And I put guardrails around the rest. Because here's the truth. Technology isn't the villain or the hero. It's the amplifier. It makes your habits louder. Your choices still matter most. Stay ahead of the curve. Subscribe to Dark MindSpark to uncover the shocking tech secrets behind your everyday life, the practical hacks to protect yourself, the futuristic innovations you can actually use. Don't be controlled. Be informed. Hit follow, share this with someone who needs it.